Hey, welcome America Outdoors. It's been a while, but come along as I transform a plain back fence into something beautiful with a couple palm trees, some canna lilies, and a nice little retaining wall. I first tried cutting this grass with a knife and quickly realized that wasn't going to work. So I grabbed my edger and started going through, and come to find out I didn't go deep enough. So I went back through again and went a lot deeper. I still had to use my shovel to finish cutting through the roots, and it allowed me to pick up these 2x2 squares a little easier. They're a little heavy, but I was still able to get it done. It was a hot day, so I was sweating my butt off. And it's Florida heat for you. I ended up digging this out, using my level, and getting it level with the bottom row of the fence. I ended up taking about 12 or 13 wheelbarrow loads out and had to take it all the way to the front of the house and put it in the truck. Well, it's coming along. I got my palm trees dug up or planted. I got some canna lilies we're going to plant in between my palm trees. I branched off my sprinkler circuit or sprinkler zone. Took a T right there, right here. Went underneath my wall, and right now I just have it pinched off. My wall's just kind of setting in there. What I'm going to do is take the top two row of bricks, leave the bottom row, come in here with a piece of 2x4 and a mallet, set all these bricks, make sure they're nice and solid. And I'm going to lay a couple beads of landscaping adhesive on top of each row and then start laying my bricks. As you just saw me working really fast, I used some construction adhesive on each one, in between the middle ones. Yeah, I'll show you. Use Loctite, the PL500 Loctite construction adhesive, landscape adhesive, landscape, and then the other one I used, where are you? It's a different type because I couldn't find the other stuff. There you go. That's what I used. If you guys are still watching, help me out. Like and subscribe. Let me know what you think. Here's the final product. I got crushed limestone. I got 6 cannas in here, 3 queen palms. Here's my sprinkler controller right there. And yeah, let me know what you think. Enjoy your day.